This video will introduce the buffer filler system, which can be added to any 4-channel wire myograph or organ bath system. This is the third version we have released, and we have added a number of excellent features. The buffer filler will fill each individual chamber, or all at the same time, to half filled or completely filled. The buffer filler will constantly recirculate buffer through the filler back into the buffer reservoir. This ensures that any buffer that enters your chamber will be fresh and warmed while also being bubbled to the right pH. The motor has been moved to be on top of the buffer reservoir. This ensures that any noise from the motor does not impact the readings from the force transducers. An auto feature has been added which allows you to wash, empty, and wash a predetermined number of times. The filler menu has been integrated into the touchscreen, which allows you greater control over settings on the filler. The buffer filler can be added at the time of the purchase of your myograph or at any point in the future. More information can be found on the DMT website under the Resources tab, where you can find training videos as well as detailed information in the buffer filler user guide.